It's another video again, and today we're going to look at Moshop app. Today I want to show you how to resell using Moshop app. It's easy, so stay tuned. So this is our Moshop app. I want you to follow step by step and I will show you how Moshop works. So when you log into Moshop, this is what you find in the first place after you download on your Android or your smartphone from Google Play Store. So what you have to do, you'll sign up for free. You can sign up using your phone number and then you put here your password, or you can join by logging in with an SMS or with your Facebook account, or you can just create an account yourself. Okay, so these are the three ways you can just sign up and get yourself ready. But the most important thing is you just need to have your phone number registered with this. For this video, for the purpose of this video, I'll sign up and then we continue with our step-by-step video. So if you love this video and you love what I'm saying and what I'm doing, you can just subscribe and hit the notification button, so whenever I produce more videos, you'll not miss each and every step. Watch this video until the end because I'll show you how to make more money using here 375, 774, and then press next. So please enter your invite code. So in case you have an invite code, you have to put it here. The invite code that you see on your screen, you will insert here. Because I don't have the invite code, I'm just registering myself. Now I'll skip that and then I proceed. This is how Moshop look like. It's one of the apps that's going to help you to get more money and resell all of these items for free of charge. You see, all these are free free commodities for you to share with your friends and your family. What you'll do, you charge even as long as you wish, as long as you want, and then order from them from Moshop and resell them for free to your colleagues, to your friends, and share them on social media. Let me show you something here so that we get to understand what's all Moshop is all about. So what you have to do is how to get started with Moshop. As I said, this is a retailing and reselling app where you get your items from this app, from this site, and then you resell them on your social media handles for free. And then you do not quote exactly the prices of commodities that have been tagged here, and you can resell them more and more. So what happens, whenever one requests you to the commodities, you will have to order from Moshop for him or for her. So what you do is browse and share, browse Moshop products and share products with your friends and families, anyone interested in our products, through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media. Share your quote, invitation code, quote to them to download Moshop app, okay? And then you'll earn. There are two ways that way you can earn more money on the Moshop, okay? So you can place orders with your customers at the lowest price on Moshop, then resell these products to them with your own reselling price. This is quite important. Another thing, how to earn commission: invite people to download and register on Moshop by your invitation code. You will get commission from each completed order placed by the people you invite. This is quite helpful, and I think you'll have to. Let me show you how to share these items on social media and so forth. As you can see here, you have filters on your side. This filtering helps you to get the first or the best electronics that you, or the best items that you want to measure in. As for example, if you want to measure with health and care, beauty, fashion, electronics, phone and tablets, home and office, and home and other accessories, the app itself has an automatic notification of the most trending or the most selling items that will pop up all the time whenever you log in every day. So what you have to do, whenever you find up the best thing about this video, the best about this app is you can click on each and every item and it will give you their templates and images, which you can copy them You see, you can copy them, copy the description, or download this, all this. Just download them and share them whenever you want, anywhere you feel like. How do you do that? You can hold on them, hold on the item itself, like the way I've done, like this, and download it. Or you can just come down here. We have a downloader arrow facing down, and then download the photos. Or you can share it on Facebook, simple, Facebook and WhatsApp. Or if you want to share, in fact it has already cataloged the description, or you can share it on WhatsApp, or you can just share it if you want to share it on other platforms, like let's say if it's Instagram or LinkedIn, for people to buy your products. As you can see, this is the product already on my Facebook account. Let's go back and see what else does Moshop offers you for you to earn more money. If you are still here and you want to receive more money using Moshop, please subscribe on this YouTube channel, and you'll receive first-hand information on online apps and sites that will help you receive money and get paid simple while at home. Now let's step to another thing I wanted to show you, to see how Moshop it's all about. How are you going to be paid? How are you going to receive your money? This is my invite code. You can copy this and use it to register yourself with Moshop, the one that I told you earlier before. Okay, now you can access the invitation list here. Whoever has joined through your link or your code will be listed down here, and every time he does a complete purchase, you also gain some money. And then also friends, if you have friends and they are buying from you, this is what will happen. You see, the orders come down here and you'll get more money. You see, then what happens is, in case someone just joined and did not allow you, did not put in your invite as for you, what happens is he can input the invite code while just in the app later on, so you have all the access to make more money. Make sure you read the rules of the page, so that you do not infringe their rights and the reselling process, all of it. And I think this is just a very short 3 steps to earn money. Register your account on Moshop with your phone number. Invite your friends to download the Register Moshop via your invitation code. Please do remember, ask the people you invited to fill in your invitation code when you are doing the registration. Okay, you can check commissions from your earn money now. Okay, and the people invited make orders. After 2 weeks, you can cash out your commissions from Moshop offline in downtown. This is what happens with Moshop. Let's check our account here, and then you see you can find your profile. Your profile, you can change your phone number, your name and password whenever you find some unscrupulous or feeling like maybe someone is trying to intervene with your account or something. Okay, at the same time, let's see your favorites. Take for example, if you have chosen most of the items like beauty or electronics, you can choose them as your favorite and they will come down here. So this app will help you resell their products for free, and this is already done for you. Most of the items here and description of the items, the prices, the only thing you'll change is only the price. When you're sharing out all this, make sure you add yourself some small amount on top. That is the secret. That's the bonus. I want to help you. Always quote something above it, above the prices on this app, and then whenever the app will give you commission, you'll have a lot of money. Take for example, if I am sharing this, if I am to share these earphones, the generic TA17 WTS wireless headset, I'll quote 650. Why? Because the 650 I'll earn from the person, you see, when it comes to bargaining, of course someone will push you down and then you make it at 620, then order for him from here and then purchase, then send the item to him and then come and pay for the delivery. Okay, this is very simple. Anyone can do it. You can share it free of charge. You don't have to worry about the graphics and everything. Already everything has been done for you. What you have to do is only copy and paste and do the sales. Are you good in sales? Then this is for you, and invite your friends and families to do this every now and then. Good for that. So see you in the next video. My name is Ernest, and Ernest Digits lets you subscribe and wait for the next video.